Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Slack application in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Slack download. Then you can see many options like download in Windows, download in Mac, download in Android. Choose according to your device. Then click to download. Then it will be downloaded to your device. Click on the download to set up to your device. Follow the on-screen instruction. Then it will be installed or set up in your device. This is how you can download or install Slack application in your device. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.